Joyful morning to all the lovely people across the world. With greetings and gratitude, I would like to welcome you for today's thought for the day. After the energetic start of the week, today on Tuesday, let us look at wealth. It is seen that most of the people are busy or preoccupied in acquiring wealth. And it is not wrong to acquire wealth if created ethically. But the problem lies in the fact that it is generally viewed with the prism of price. We should look at wealth acquired from the prism of value, and if one does so, the perspective in life will change. If one views from the prism of value, then at the top of the list will be health, which in this pandemic situation automatically gets the topmost priority. Hence, health gained is wealth earned. Second, as per my view, is relationship with family, friends, colleagues and others. One tries by way of love, affection, care, commitments and various other behaviors to make one's relationship better and have an experience which is holistic in itself. Beyond two, I don't want to suggest any order, as with experience in life, one gains wisdom and takes decision based on what value a particular thing has in one's life. But I would like to mention one thing before you can have your priorities, that don't forget the value of what the creation has given to mankind, that too free of cost, like natural resources, air, water, forest, mountains, wildlife. All of them make our life more sustainable and rich. Before I close for today, I would like to make a difference between growth, progress and success in life, as many people interpret success as per their will. Growth is increase in materialistic possessions. When growth is combined with ethics like discipline, honesty, it becomes a progress. And growth combined with ethics and humanity or spirituality, it becomes a success. So, decide for yourself, based on your wisdom, what type of wealth you would like to accumulate. The one with greater price or the one with greater value. Thanking you for a valuable time. See you again tomorrow with a new thought. Till then, take care of yourself both physically and emotionally.